Hello everyone, welcome to UPSC Tracker, and today I've come here to tell you that UPSC has released today the notification for EPFO APFC, Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner. Now, as we can see that this time the notification is only for the APFC post and not for the EO and AO. हर बार हम देखते थे कि ईओ, एओ और एपीएफसी के नोटिफिकेशंस एक साथ ही आते थे, बट दिस टाइम ईओ, एओ की वैकेंसीज नहीं है इस नोटिफिकेशन में। रीजन, प्रोबेबल रीजन क्या हो सकता है, विल टॉक अबाउट इट लेटर। बट इस एग्जाम के बारे में अगर हम बात करें तो आपका एग्जाम होगा ऑन 20 December and the exam will be for 80 vacancies. Unreserved 29, EWS 8, OBC 18, SC 15 and ST 10. Exam pattern is exam ke liye. It is very much relevant for the UPSC aspirants, and perhaps this is the strongest reason to target APFC alongside UPSC CSE. If you're already preparing seriously for CSE exam, large portion of your preparation it overlaps with this exam. क्योंकि सिलेबस में सब्जेक्ट्स हैं जैसे कि हिस्ट्री, इकोनॉमी, गवर्नेंस, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, सीसैट के सब्जेक्ट्स हैं एंड करंट अफेयर्स। ऑफ कोर्स इसके अलावा लेबर लॉज और इंडस्ट्रियल रिलेशंस ये सब भी हैं, बट मेजरली जो आपका यूपीएससी सीएसई की प्रिपरेशन में आप जो सिलेबस कवर करते हैं वो इस एग्जाम में आपको मिलेगा। This time, of course, we don't see the EO-AO vacancies क्योंकि it has been said that EO और AO के recruitment proposal को EPFO ने UPSC के पास भेजा था, but later it was withdrawn on 8th of June. And that notification, that proposal was for 311 vacancies, 311 posts of EO-AO. उसको withdraw कर लिया। सो एक्सपेक्टेशन उस टाइम पे ये थी कि ईओ और एपीएफसी को मिला के अराउंड 390 वैकेंसीज का नोटिफिकेशन आएगा। बट नाउ एज वी कैन सी द नोटिफिकेशन हैज बीन रिलीज एंड इट इज ओनली फॉर एपीएफसी, द 80 वैकेंसीज ऑफ एपीएफसी। बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि ईओ और एओ के रिक्रूटमेंट होंगे ही नहीं 2026 में। अगर 26 में भी नहीं होते, इट मे हैपन इन 27। So it means for now there is no EOAO recruitment in the notification released today, but the possibility is it may happen later. Now talking about APFC, जिसके बारे में notification आया है, तो APFC it is a group A post with pay level 10 according to 7th pay commission. So काफी अच्छा पेमेंट रहेगा इसका, आपका सैलरी काफी अच्छा रहेगा। ग्रुप ए पोस्ट के लिए आपको रिक्रूट किया जाएगा। एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द एग्जाम, दिस इज अ 1 day एग्जाम एंड एग्जाम विल बी ऑफ 2 hours and this paper will have 120 questions. So total paper will be of 300 marks with 1/3 of negative marking. So each and every question will be of 2.5 marks each. After you clear this recruitment test, the written exam of it, selected candidates they will be called for an interview जो कि 100 marks का होगा, और जो final list आएगी it will be calculated based on your written marks and the marks you got in the interview with the weightage of 75 and 25. The last date to apply for this paper is 11th of September, so you can apply for it. So APFC is one of the UPSC recruitment opportunities through which a graduate can enter a Group A central government equivalent post, and it isn't simply a desk job क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपको it combines the administrative work also, the labor laws works, the social security, enforcement का काम, accounts का काम, pension का काम, so काफी सारा diverse job है ये। Notification, of course, it does mention a diploma in company law, labor laws, public administration. It mentions it as a desirable qualification, not the essential qualification. So even if you are a graduate, you can apply for this exam, you can appear for the paper and you can clear it. EPFO Employees Provident Fund Organization, इसके बारे में भी थोड़ा बहुत हमें पता होना चाहिए that it's a government agency that comes under Ministry of Labor and Employment. So if you'll see the syllabus, you will find topics like industrial relations, labor codes and social security in India. Why I've mentioned on labor codes, because this time there's a small change in the syllabus. Earlier the syllabus mentioned the labor laws, but this time they have specifically mentioned the labor codes. So काफी थोड़ा narrow कर दिया है syllabus को, labor laws की जगह labor code लेके आए हैं वो। Now, if you ask me as a UPSC aspirant that should you prepare for APFC 2026, I would say yes. If you want a serious, backup or parallel opportunity, दैट इज itself a UPSC रिक्रूटमेंट, तो आपको प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए. इट ऑफर्स अ परमानेंट ग्रुप ए पोस्ट एट लेवल 10 and it has a substantial syllabus overlap with CSE. Though not a substitute for your CSE preparation, but of course, as a backup plan, as a parallel career opportunity, you should prepare for this exam. And if you want a detailed video on the job profile of EPFC and the detailed syllabus also, you can comment below and let me know. I will make a detailed video on the same. कि कैसे आपको APFC के लिए थोड़ा-थोड़ा अपने UPSC की प्रिपरेशन से प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए, and of course the detailed syllabus. So fill the form soon, as I told you that the last date is 11th of September. And for more updates, keep watching UPSC Tracker. Thank you.